Compliance headaches? Impress IT Solutions has the cure. In today's regulatory landscape, compliance is more than just avoiding penalties. It's about trust, efficiency, and security. At Impress IT Solutions, we simplify compliance for Houston manufacturers. Step 1. Understand your regulatory landscape from OSHA Standards to ISO certifications. We help you create a comprehensive checklist. Step 2. Assess your current compliance status. Our experts identify gaps in your data security, training, and access controls. Step 3. Implement secure IT systems. Think access management, data encryption, and reliable backups. Step 4. Automate compliance monitoring. We set up automated tools to keep your systems audit ready. Step 5. Train your team on cybersecurity and safety protocols. Step 6. Document everything. We help you organize policies, procedures, and training logs for easy audit access. Step 7. Partner with experts. With our local expertise and proactive support, you stay ahead of evolving regulations. Don't let compliance slow you down. Contact Impress IT Solutions today and focus on what you do best: manufacturing quality products. Impress IT Solutions, Houston's trusted IT partner for manufacturers.